Hitchd Honeymoon Registry tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a registry using Hitchd. The first thing you need to do is go onto hitchd.com. Then from there, you can tap on Try It Free. After selecting Try It Free, you will be redirected to the sign up page. On the sign up page, you can now enter in your email information and you can also create a password. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this page and you can enter in your first name. So let me do that. And you can enter in your partner's name. After doing that, you'll tap on continue. Then from here, you can choose nice to meet you, tell us about the big day. So you can choose when you'll be getting married. So let's say, for example, I leave it at February 21st, 2025 and just select continue. You can select the currency and you can select the country right there. And then you'll tap on continue once more. After doing that, lastly, where's your dream honeymoon destination? So you can select the destination that you would like to go. So let's say, for example, Bali. And you can select up to 3 dream destinations. Then you'll tap on get started. After selecting get started, you'll be redirected to your registry page. So this will be your website that persons will go onto. Now to edit it, all you'll need to do, if you, for example, would like to change the cover, you can do that by tapping on edit cover in the top right hand corner. From there, you can make changes to, for example, you could edit the greetings. You can also scroll down and from there you could edit the hashtag or you could change the wedding date if you want. Also, if you would like to change the background image, you can tap on the backdrop icon right beside cover and then from there you could choose a different image for the background. And by the way, if you would like to change the layout or design, you can do that now. So if you would like to use this layout, you could do that and you can see how it looks. So there are different options that you can choose from. So you can select whichever one you like. Let's say, for example, this one. So I'll leave it at this one. Then after doing that, we'll scroll down and you can edit the different destinations. And by the way, because I chose Bali as my dream honeymoon destination, so it is recommending some popular spots that are located in Bali. But if you would like to remove any of these spots, you can simply hover over it and tap on delete, or you can select the pencil icon to edit it and choose a different spot. But you can see them right there, and we can also add, for example, add a GIF. You could tap right there, and then after doing that, you could search for a different recommended GIF, whether it be romantic dinner, road trip, Airbnb, or so on. You can select whichever one of these options. Let's say we were to select Airbnb, so I could add Airbnb to it. And if I would like to add something else, let's say honeymoon fund, we could tap on that also. And you can see different categories at the top that you could choose from. After finished doing that, we can tap on gifts added at the bottom and we'll be redirected to this page. And you can see that they have been added now. All we'll need to do, if anything, we could tap on the pencil. And then from there, you can tap on the X to close out. And you could go over to the left hand column and from there you could edit the amount that you want and you can also edit different settings as you can see right here, and you could type in the location and you can also add a link for where you would like to go. Once you're finished, we can go back. After doing that, you can also add payment methods by tapping on add payment methods at the top, and you can tap on accept cards, or you can scroll down and you can set up your Zelle and your PayPal. By simply tapping on them, you can enter in your account information and you'll be able to accept it via PayPal or Zelle. So we'll go back right there. I'll tap on my registry at the top. After doing that, you can tap on launch registry. Once you're finished, you'll tap on launch registry and your registry will now be live. But because I have not added any payment method, that's the only reason why I will not be able to launch it. So that's it. Once you're finished, you'll be able to share your registry and persons can go onto it and they can select what they would like to do. For example, they could select this location. After selecting the location, you can see the fund needed and then they can tap here and enter the amount that they'd like to contribute and tap on give. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial